is Tawfiq from Tenet Technetronics. I'll be giving you a brief introduction on the components that we have.
Hello everyone, today I'll be giving you a brief introduction on a rocker switch. A rocker switch is a simple on-off switch. That means it just has one input and one output. As you can see here, one pin, it acts as an output and one as an input. So the switches will be completely closed or will be completely disconnected. So the rocker switch, which is an on-off switch that also rocks rather than trips, that is when it is pressed, which means one side of the switch is raised while the other side is depressed, much like a rocking horse which rocks back and forth. There is a circle, as you can see here, a circle and a horizontal dash. A circle represents that the pin is in on condition and a horizontal dash represents that it is in the off condition. So just use for the user's purpose to identify whether it is in the on or in the off situation. So it is commonly used to directly power a device. So it can be used as surge protectors for display monitors, computer power supplies. And it can also be mounted, and it has two tabs for connecting the connecting the wire. So when it is used as an independent circuitry, it can be both lighted. We can have the light activated on the face of the switch in both on and off position. But when it is in a dependent circuitry, the light is activated only when it is in the switch on condition. So there are many available shapes, size, colors with both standard and custom symbols available on the actuator. Thank you for listening to this video. So I'll be giving you a demo on the rocker switch as I had explained to you before. So this is the rocker switch that I explained to you before, and I've just connected a simple circuit. It has 1 amp battery, an LED and a resistor, 1K resistor. So I've just connected and I'll just show you how this rocker switch works. So here we see the rocker switch. Now it is in the off condition. So now when I switch it on, you can see the light and the LED switches on. So this just acts as an on-off switch. So the moment we switch off, it switches off. So this is how a simple rocker switch works.
To get more information on the products, you can log on to www.tenettech.com or you can drop a mail to info@tenettech.com.